How can I copy an entire text conversation on my iPhone?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today we're tackling a common question many iPhone users have. How can I copy an entire text conversation on my iPhone? It's not as straightforward as you might think, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it step by step.
What do you need to start?
First things first, ensure that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. This is to guarantee the smooth running of the features we're about to utilize.
Can you directly copy an entire conversation?
The direct answer is, unfortunately, no. iOS currently does not allow you to select and copy an entire conversation directly in the Messages app. You can, however, copy individual messages by long pressing them and selecting Copy. But we have a workaround for this limitation.
What's the workaround to copy an entire conversation?
The workaround involves using a feature in your iPhone called screen recording. This won't give you a text copy of the conversation, but it can create a video recording of the entire conversation that you can reference later. 1. To start, go to your iPhone settings. 2. Scroll down and select Control Center. 3. Make sure that screen recording is included in the Include list. If not, add it.
How do I start a screen recording?
Once you've added screen recording to the Control Center, you're ready to record. Here's how. 1. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. 2. Tap the screen recording button to start a recording. 3. Navigate to the text conversation you wish to copy and slowly scroll through the entire conversation. Make sure to pause long enough on each screen so that the text is readable in your recording. Remember, your iPhone will record everything that appears on your screen, so be sure to keep your focus on the conversation.
How do I stop the recording and save it?
When you're done scrolling through the conversation, stop the recording by doing the following. 1. Open the Control Center again. 2. Tap the screen recording button to stop recording. 3. Your screen recording is automatically saved to your Photos app. And there you have it. Your conversation is now captured in a video. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Although you can't directly copy an entire text conversation on your iPhone, you now know how to record your screen as an effective workaround. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips.